Hello, I'm Frank Brocato, Mayor of Hoover, Alabama. Lung cancer is the deadliest cancer in the United States, but it doesn't have to be. Early detection through lung cancer screenings can save your life. Lung cancer screenings can find lung cancers at an early stage when they are easier to treat and cure. These screenings are painless, they're fast, and they're covered by most insurance companies. However, only about 6% of high-risk individuals in the United States are currently getting screened for lung cancer. If you are between the ages of 50 and 80 years old, you've smoked a pack a day for at least 20 years, and you currently smoke, or you quit in the last 15 years, you are eligible for lung cancer screening. No one should have to suffer through lung cancer. It's important to raise awareness and get screened as early as you can. Talk to your doctor about lung cancer screening. For more information, please visit the American Lung Cancer Screening Initiative website, which is www.alcsi.org. Together, we can save lives.